Cochrane, and I'm the founder of the Organic Candy Factory. We're the only organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, gelatin-free, nut-free gummy bear in the world. When my daughter was 5 years old, she decided she wanted to open a candy store, and I wanted to empower her, and that was 11 years ago. So I was really honestly winging it for about 9 years. Since Newchip, we're in Walmart and Macy's and just continue to grow. I joined for a couple reasons. One, I wanted to raise money and I had no idea how to speak the language. I felt insecure on many of the phone calls when I'd speak to VIP purchasers. So I went for confidence, for education, and to raise money. And I got all of the above. Other groups, I felt like they were going to show you some videos and a portal, and it was like, here's our education to you, 101, good luck. A light bulb went on at the Newchip Accelerator group. So honestly, when I go into business meetings, I feel more confident. I understand everything people are talking about. It was just a big cloud before, and now everything makes more sense.